What's the meaning of audacious? Audacious. Audacious.
Audacious. Audacious. The word audacious means showing a willingness to take bold risks or showing a lack of respect for conventional boundaries. It suggests a person who is daring, fearless, and willing to confront challenges and obstacles despite potential risks and consequences. An audacious person is not afraid to step outside their comfort zone and try new things. They have the confidence and courage to pursue their goals relentlessly, even in the face of adversity. Overall, an audacious individual is someone who embodies a spirit of adventure and daring.